When it comes to sanitizing wipes, you want a product that is effective, reliable, and convenient. That's where Hopingwipes comes in. As the top sanitizing wipes factory in China, Hopingwipes offers a range of high-quality products designed to meet the needs of businesses and consumers around the world. Founded in 1988, Hopingwipes is part of the Tangstyle Group and has been providing top-quality wet wipes for over 30 years. With 26 production lines and more than 150 employees, they have the production capacity and scale to meet the demands of any client. Their commitment to quality is evident in every product they make. All of their sanitizing wipes are made with high-quality materials and undergo rigorous testing to ensure their effectiveness. And with a range of sensor, you can choose the product that best meets your needs. Hopingwipes is trusted by some of the world's top brands, including Cisco, Starbucks, McDonald's, and Japan's Skylark International Catering Group. Their dedication to excellence has earned them a reputation as a reliable and trustworthy partner. So if you're in the market for high-quality sanitizing wipes, look no further than Hopingwipes. With their commitment to quality, proven track record of success, and range of high-quality products,